Audi let go. So sad. Serpentine belt, like the alternator belt that took a poop. The actual AC compressor bracket seems to have broken. The AC compressor is just dangling there loose, which broke the belt, and car is bricked, so we're stuck waiting for a tow truck. So yeah, not fun. Alright guys, so didn't film that. I don't like to make it weird for tow truck drivers and stuff like that. It's the second time I've had my car towed. This one we got towed a long time ago because the brake pedal switch failed while I was at the movies. And funny coincidence, same parking lot. We're in the same parking lot where these things both had to get towed from. But so brake pedal switch when this thing was an automatic failed. Of course I was new to the car thing, so I had no idea that it was just like a $2 switch under the brake pedal, so we couldn't get it out of drive, so we had it towed for that. Cost like freaking like $900 when it was all said and done. Ridiculous. Over like a $3 part. He went through and supposedly fixed all kinds of stuff that was wrong, but he only did that. And then with this, so the serpentine belt, so what rides on the like power steering and the coolant pump and all of that, that belt kicked off because it looks like the bracket for the AC compressor actually broke, because the AC compressor is actually just loose. Here, let me try and get underneath the car so you can see. I don't know if you guys can see that very well in there, but here, we can go ahead. The whole compressor moves, and I see the bolt, but the bolts are both tight. So I think the bracket that it attaches to the motor, I think that broke. So not good. If worse came to worse, I would say just sell the whole freaking thing. No, I don't know. I'm just kidding. But yeah, hopefully it's just that. We'll just take the compressor off, get the bracket off, get a new bracket, put that on, and then just get a new belt. And I do have a new water pump as well. There was a time when this thing was flinging some coolant underneath. Underneath the crossover pipe was all coated in coolant. The edge of the pulley on the water pump was coated in coolant, so I bought a new one anyway. So we'll probably go through. We're going to put the brakes. I have brand new Brembo brakes for it. Brembo brakes, sorry. We have new control arms, upper and lower. We've got, figure out the AC compressor, get all that stuff done. I've got a lot of work that I really do need to do to this car before it's like really done. So I guess this is the time. It's almost the end of summer, so gotta get it done at some point. It's probably a good thing that it broke, and then it really just got me wanting to fix this thing and get this thing back. So yeah, we'll be back. So anyway guys, that is the highs and lows of having cars. And it's always funny. It's like when it actually breaks down or you blow an engine or something, it's like a different feeling. Like you're always super freaked out about it when it hasn't happened yet, but then when it does happen, you kind of like, you almost like sober up and start to think straight and realize that it's not the end of the world. You can always fix it. So yeah, I don't know. Enjoy your stuff while it runs. Enjoy it while it's broken. Everything can be fixed, and you'll live for another day. Maybe just not today. Maybe tomorrow, or the next day, or like a month. I don't know. Hopefully this car's not down that long. Hopefully it's just a couple week thing. I'll try and do my best to make it a fast transition, but I don't know.